I've spent so much money on Pokemon cards. It would take so much to convince me to buy any more. Are those? No. Nope. Later. See ya. Nope, not gonna get me. Take my money. What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored. Oh, I've bought so much of this stuff, but there's still the allure. I haven't opened a Melmetal and Lucario tin, and I found some pins and some freaking tins, and I need to open. I need Charizard. So let's start with the good old. We'll start with the good old pin collection. I decided to go with Mewtwo and Charizard because Gen 1, those are like the monsters. I guess like Dragonite and Blastoise would be next up. Here's your code card. Man, I feel like I haven't recorded cards in a while. Look at this Mewtwo that you've never seen. Oh my goodness, it's so unique and new. And check out this pin I definitely don't have 500 of. Woohoo! All right, 3 packs. All right, comment section right now. Tell me, how many shinies are we adding to the collection today? I think we have 7 packs to go. It'd be cool to get something out of Unified Minds as well. So let's get into this, man. I'm still looking for a Charizard and a Noivern, okay? Charizard, Noivern, that's what we're going for. Please, check out this code card. This sick code card you get for free. All right, 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. It's dark. All right, let's go. Chansey, we got a Graveler. Farfetch'd. Have you guys seen the leak? There's like a pixelated Pokemon on the Ooh, we got a reverse fire and the rare is an Electrode. We have a pixelated image of a Pokemon that'll be new to the Galar region on the Pokemon Sword and Shield website. So I'm excited. It looks like a Farfetch'd. That's why I said it when I talked about Farfetch'd. Next pack. Give me something, please. Shinies, let's go. Check out this code card. All yours. Pull something amazing. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. If you say metal, you're kicked out of the fun club. All right, look at this. We got a Magmar. All right, we got a Farfetch'd. Look at these brand new cards. New content. Definitely haven't uploaded 5 million openings for this pack yet. The reverse is behind this Caterpie, and it's... Whoa! Another shiny Kartana. Boy... And the rare, Blaine's Last Stand. No more repeats! Okay, it's a shiny though. That's a hit. Oh, look at that nice blur that we're getting. Last pack for the pin set. Charizard pack. Give me a Charizard, man. I feel like I've opened so many. Okay, I need an adult. I've opened so many of these packs. I can't believe we haven't gotten a Charizard. We've gotten 3 Buzzwole. There is your code card. For all intents and purposes, they have the same rarity. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. Same metal. Get kicked out. All right. We got Sabrina's suggestion. Pokemon Center Lady, a Scyther. Geodude. We got a Jigglypuff. Staryu Ekans. We got ourselves an Eevee. The reverse is a Cubone. And the rare is Wheezing. Wow. Pin set. Step up your game. Okay? All right. Next. Kartana, you go off to the side. You do look cool, but... Goodness, you're not what I'm looking for. I also picked up 2 more tin sets, and I want to record it with Gumi, my wife. You guys know her as Gumi on the stream and stuff. I don't know how to open things. I think both of my Unified Minds tins actually sucked butts. I think they were bad. So if we could just get something good, I think I would be happy. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Umbreon, that's what I want. I want Umbreon and Darkrai. Give me a full art. It doesn't even have to be a rainbow rare. Check out this thing. What do I do with this? Who knows? Throw it at people? It's heavy. It would probably do some damage. All right, this promo is actually really cool, and I love that they do this. That was really loud. Rest in peace, everybody. Doesn't matter if you're using earbuds or not. You guys already probably peeped the code card. This promo... Oh, that looks so good. I actually really like Lucario. I don't really care much about Melmetal, but it's a cool card. I love the full arts, and I love that they're doing variants of some of these tag teams. There's your code card. Slide this over here. All right, how do we do this normally? Do we do... Let's start with Lost Thunder. There's an Umbreon in this pack, I think, that I want in a full art. Rainbow Rare is good too. I won't complain. Check out this code card. Sick! 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's gone forever. I think it was fighting. We got a Fairy Charm. A Silcoon. We got ourselves a Faba. Cubchoo is adorable. Tangela, I like that art. We got a Alolan Vulpix. It's like the pouncing. Okay, so you know like the snow foxes? They pounce into the snow. That's what that Vulpix is doing. Shinaba. We got a Marini. Ooh, we got a Lucamine Prism Rare. And the rare. Ooh, I love Raikou, but I don't think that's... Nope, not holo. Is he using Shadow Ball? Neato. I freaking love Raikou. I actually got... So I need your opinion, guys. I got a bunch of Sitting Cutie plushes. If you don't know what those are, you should check them out on the Pokemon Center website. But including Raikou, I got a bunch of Sitting Cutie plushes. Would you like to see that in an opening? Let me know in the comment section down below. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's Psychic, not Ghost, not Poison. It's Psychic. All right, we got Misty's favorite. We got a Noctowl, a Tranquil. We got ourselves a Wimpod, a beautiful Slickoth, a Salandit, a Bounsweet, Salandit. The reverse is a Slickoth. Oh my goodness, and the rare. Noisy Noivern. Okay. Nah. There you go. XY evolutions. Let's get full art Mega Charizard Y. Mega Charizard Y is best. Best Mega Charizard. Don't even at me with that X. 1, 2, 3. No energy to be flipped. We got ourselves a Porygon. I love this old art. We got ourselves a Pokedex. A Kakuna Rattata. We got a Pikachu. Back before he shed some pounds. We got ourselves a Machop. A Weedle. Dojuo, we got a Staryu. The reverse is an energy retrieval, and the rare. Oh my god! I called it! I literally called it! Oh my gosh, it's full art Mega Charizard Y. I'm so incredibly happy about this. Holy shnikes. Oh! Sorry, not sorry. This is exactly what I wanted. This is my most desired card from the set. Look at this. Oh my gosh! Ugh. You will never see a happier Kwikpanik. Please, I hope this is grade worthy. I'll check it out later. But Mega Charizard Y full art. Do you see this? This is amazing. I'm so happy. I don't even care what's in the rest of the packs. This made it for me. Oh my god, that's an amazing card. That is, I don't even know what to say. Okay, sorry. Continue with the pack opening. Don't lose your cool, Kwikpanik. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. I'm so happy about that pull. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got an Electric. We got a Dedenne. I literally called it. Oh my gosh. We got a Lurantis. We got ourselves a Sneasel. A Magnemite. We got ourselves a Slickoth again. An XU. Fletchinder. The reverse is a Fomantis. And the rare. Oh my gosh, what is up with my pull rate on Unified Minds? My goodness. Okay, hold on. We're gonna take a peek at this. This. Oh my gosh, I'm grading the heck out of that. All right, next up we have ourselves a Charizard, Hidden Fates tin. Okay, so my experience with all the tins that we've opened for this, I've only gotten one shiny per tin. Whether that's like in the reverse, like in the regular Pokemon. Or the full art. So let me know how you're doing. I'm kind of hoping we get some good luck. If you guys remember, my first video for Hidden Fates was lit. It was litten. There's your code card. There's that Charizard. I need to get some of these graded too. Put him off to the side. My first one was so good, and then I feel like all my openings after that, I've been getting boned. But here we are. If we got a Charizard, okay. I'd be very happy. So we're going to save Charizard for last. Oh. Okay. How many shinies, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 is the max. All right. Here is your code card. Let me know about that Sitting Cuties video. Do you want to see the Sitting Cutie plushie unboxing? I'm getting about 10, 11 of them. They're like my favorites from Gen 2. So 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. All right. Like me, Kwikpanik confirmed Psychic. Can you There we go. We got ourselves a Brock's Pewter City Gem, a Chansey, a Graveler. We got a Slowpoke. We got a Pikachu. We got ourselves a Char, a Voltorb. We got ourselves a Coughing, and the reverse is a Staryu, and the rare is a Lapras. Oh my gosh. What happened to the pull rate on this? My goodness. I think the Elite Trainer boxes are going up next week, so that's exciting. I can't wait for that. Get that. Boop, boop. There's your code card. Get that stained glass birds, because I pulled the other 3. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. If you say leaf, you're kicked out of the Cool Kids Club. All right, we got ourselves a Pokemon Center lady, a Scyther, a Magmar. We got ourselves a Caterpie. We got a Paris, Char, Slowpoke, a Psyduck, and the reverse, Pikachu, and the rare is an Electrode. Oh my goodness. Okay, Mewtwo. Save me. Save me. Okay, I'm really not upset because that Charizard Y makes me incredibly happy. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. It's not metal. It's definitely not metal. I don't care who told you it's metal. We got a Jinx. A Magmar. We got ourselves a Farfetch'd. We got a Paris. An Ekans. Psyduck. Staryu. Clefairy, the reverse. Okay, Shiny Magnemite. That's a pull. That's a pull. Do we have Magneton or do we get Magnemite? Okay, that's awesome. I love gold Magnemite, so that's good. Rare. Butterfree. Okay, we've gotten 2 for you. Keeping track at home. I need to check my collection. Now I can't remember if I got the Magneton or the Magnemite, but that art looks familiar. I don't know. That's really good art. That's really heckin' good art. Last pack. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support lately. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'm bringing Pokemon content all the time. I got some Funko Pop stuff. Every once in a while I'll post some Yu-Gi-Oh! And I'm streaming on Twitch. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. I'm streaming on Twitch on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm uploading here on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and on 12 p.m. At 12 p.m. Central Time on Sundays. So, appreciate you. All right, let's get into this last pack. We got this guy, Metapod, Eevee, and on a Charizard, dude. Jigglypuff, we got a Coughing. Don't forget, one of the next videos for Pokemon sometime this week will be me versus my wife opening 2 Hidden Fates tins, so stay tuned for that. Staryu, we got an Ekans. Oh, we got a freaking full-art Greninja. Looks so good, and the rare is an Eevee, which is really cool, too. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful Greninja. Okay, let's just look at this. This was a successful opening for me. I haven't gotten the Greninja yet, but Charizard and Greninja. Oh my gosh. And, I mean, we got Magnemite. I know Kartana is a dupe. Magnemite or Magneton? I don't know what I've pulled. Anyway, that was super heckin' fun, and I'm really happy. So, that is all I've got for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.